Hi guys, it's Debbie and I am going to work on another painting. I'm going to use watercolor paper and I am mixing some of my paints so they're a little bit fluid. I want to be able to put them on and move them pretty easily. So some of them are already mixed, some of them I'll do it while we're working on it. So anyways, I'm gonna pull you down here. Okay. Trying to make sure it's okay. So I have a little bit of an idea in mind of what I'm going to do. So as I move along, I'm going to explain. I'm going to scrape away a little bit of the colors after I put on different colors. So that's kind of what's in mind. So it's going to be looking a little sloppy at first, but usually my paintings do. Sometimes. And then eventually they end up going somewhere. So I was going to mix that a little thinner, but I didn't do that. I should have. So I hope you guys been having a great summer, or as I found out, some people are having winter when we have summer over here in the United States that listen to the video, because I know one time I was talking about, oh, you know, it's a hot summer day here. And one of the people that I hadn't realized that somebody who was watching was from, I forget where now, but a little ways away on the other side of the pond. So I like to sometimes like put a bunch of paint on my paintings, and then the challenge is, how am I going to turn it into something nice? It kind of stops you from staring and trying to figure out what to do. You know, you get some colors and just kind of get it going. You could use a paintbrush to do this if you wanted to. I got a fan on, and I didn't really want this to dry too quick. I think I might spray it a little bit. We'll see if I can work this fast enough. So, oh shoot, got too much white in there. I didn't want to do that. Got a little, the thing had white on it, but I didn't really mind at the time, but now I kind of do. Let's turn that fan off. It's drying really fast. I can't work that fast. Mind you, you could use paintbrushes. You could use anything that, you know, that you'd like to use to do something similar to this. Tonight, I'm just using my hands. There's something in my paint that's scratching the painting. I can feel it. Right in. I think I got it off finally. Okay. Man, stuff is drying so fast. I just keep adding paint till it stops. The other day, the other painting I made, I added it real thick because I didn't want it to dry too fast. But you could do this on a canvas too. All right, we'll see if we got any. Let's see. This might not work the way I want it to do, but we'll see. I'm just trying to angling it a little bit so it scrapes away a little bit of the paint as I'm pulling it across. I don't know. Maybe that's it for a few minutes. I'm trying to move it as fast as possible because it's sorry, you guys are probably seeing this upside down. Not that it matters too much which way at this point, but I just thought about that. Okay, I'll turn it the other way so you can see it this way. Because I already know that I'm going to have you look at it from that way. But sometimes with abstracts, you may not know until you're finished. That's why I put it on this so I could scrape some off. Okay, you guys. Mars Cityscape. Cityscape on Mars? I don't know. Anyways, for some reason that came to me while I was doing it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Actually, it doesn't matter. I guess you could view it either way. This way or that way. I guess it doesn't matter. I guess it depends on the maker. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe so that I know that you guys are enjoying it. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll try to make more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.